No. Raindrops are falling down around me. I've never quite felt like drowning. The glass isn't shards and the window is broken and you're not here, so it's better than dropped in. No one to pull me close. You're the one I miss the most, so please come back to me. Please come back to me. Darling, don't you know it's freezing outside? Don't want your heart catching frostbite, so please come back to me. Please come back to me. Hey guys, it's Casey, and I hope you enjoyed that. That was a song, one of my songs. I wrote it a couple of months ago. I think it was back in May or June. It was rainy season, and I really didn't feel like doing anything productive, so I just decided to write that. I wrote it in like, 10-15 minutes, and so there it is. I hope you guys found it okay. I'm gonna start actually posting more now, hopefully, since I got a new phone. By the way, if you guys can tell, the camera isn't as shitty as it usually is. So there's that to look forward to. And that's all I have to say for now. So bye guys.